For written notes of this topic, you can find their link in the description below. Mineral resources. Formation of minerals. Hot magma. When heat and pressure transform one form of rock to another and the hot magma cools down, mineral crystals start to become visible. Mineral-rich fluids. Minerals are also formed when mineral-rich fluids are evaporated. Volcanic rocks. When volcanic rocks are broken down by wind and water, many minerals form crystals. If the crystals take too much time to form, they become gemstones. Processes of mining. Open gas mining. Giant excavators and power shovels are used to mine minerals like iron and coal that are near the surface. Underground mining. There are two types of underground mining: adit mining, shaft mining. Adit mining. On hillsides, minerals are often exposed on a seam. Miners mine by creating a passage that can be horizontal or sloped, depending on the mineral seam angle. Shaft mining. To mine coal, vertical shafts are dug down first by miners and then horizontal tunnels are formed. Minerals are then extracted from the tunnels. Problems faced by miners. There are many problems that miners face, including flooding, the fall of tunnel walls, leakage of poisonous and dangerous gases, explosions, ventilation shortage, and underground transport. Types of minerals. Metallic minerals. These minerals are more valuable. They are usually shiny, hard, and tough. They can change shape without breaking. They are malleable. Many of metallic minerals are good electricity conductors. They are reactive with acid and water. Examples of metallic minerals are copper, iron, silver, gold, tin, etc. Non-metallic minerals. They are less valuable. They do not shine, are rough and soft. If they are shaped, they can break down. They are not malleable. They are bad electricity conductors. They are less reactive with water and acid. Examples of non-metallic minerals are coal, sulfur, gypsum, limestone, marble, etc. Mining. Mining is the extraction of valuable minerals or other geological materials from the earth, usually from an ore body, lode, vein, seam, reef, or placer deposit. These deposits form a mineralized package that is of economic interest to the miner. Advantages of mining for Pakistan. It will create more employment, it will increase export, it will increase foreign trade, it will make Pakistan self-sufficient, and there will be less import needed in minerals like limestone. There will be improved roads and communication in Balochistan. Advancement in mining machinery. There will be more industries. Shortcomings. There are not many skilled individuals. For modern technology, Pakistan will require to import machinery. The development of the mining industry will increase pollution. Pakistan has an investment shortage. Effects of mining on environment. There will be more soil exposure because of vegetation cut down. Land pollution will be increased because of mining waste. Noise pollution will be increased because of blast. Water pollution will be increased because of mineral waste. Sustainable mining. Policies should be made and strictly implemented for the sustainable development of the mining industry. Modern technology should be used to increase competitiveness as well as environmental protection. The release of health and discharge of toxic substances should be checked promptly to make sure no serious damage is inflicted on the environment. If you like this video, don't forget to like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram and LinkedIn, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.